In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add money to Apple Pay with a debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage the balance on your Apple Cash account. So, by using the balance available on Apple Cash, you can use Apple Pay to make payments online, in store, and so on. So first, if you haven't already added a debit card, go into your wallet and choose the plus sign at the top right. If you already have a debit card listed here, then you can skip ahead. But when you tap on the plus sign, you will see this menu, Add to Wallet, and you can find the option to add a new debit or credit card. So choose this from the list and go through the process. You can either enter the card details manually, so you type out the full card number, expiry date, and security code, or you use your camera to scan them. After this is done, verify the name, the card number, and go through any verification process that they request. So usually they will give you the choice to verify that you are the owner of the card by sending you a text message, an email, or by opening the bank application. Just choose any of these verifications method. If you don't verify the card now, it isn't going to be usable later. So once the card has been verified and you complete it here by using a verification code or any other method, it is going to appear listed on your Apple Wallet. With this done, you can now manage Apple Cash and add balance. So now tap on your Apple Cash balance. Even if it says 0, you will be able to see the main options to add balance from here. So tap on Apple Cash under your wallet and you will see the current balance that you have. Now tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Among the list of options, you will see Add Money. So this is where you will be able to use the payment method that you added, a debit card or a credit card, to add balance to your account. Immediately upon doing this, you can choose the amount. So they will give you some preset amounts, or you can type out a custom amount. So let's say, for example, you choose $35. So you press 3, press 5, and it is going to appear reflected here. You will see the new balance that you will be acquiring displayed here. It is going to change according to how much you type. And once you are satisfied, you just choose the add option. This will bring up the payment window where you can double tap the side button or use something like Face ID to confirm the purchase using the card that you added. You can set up auto reload, which should automatically add balance into your Apple Wallet periodically, and you can choose how much it is going to be adding every month or every series of days. And all of this can be done by tapping on Apple Cash under your wallet. The new balance will be reflected. It should be basically instantaneous for you to receive the balance that you chose on that menu. And now you will be able to use this balance to send money to other people. You can use it inside of specific applications, issue payments online, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add money to Apple Pay with debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.